Hi, so I'm just going to show you how to use Magnifier for a Windows computer. So you would start by going to Start, click the Settings, scroll down to Ease of Access, that's where all the accessibility features will be, and then under Vision, go to Magnifier. And then you can either turn it on by sliding this to the on position, or you can use the keyboard shortcuts by pressing the Windows and the plus sign. So we're actually going to try this with Facebook today. So as you can see, it's on full screen zoom right now, and you can move by moving your arrow, your cursor, to the corners, and that's how you navigate through the screen. And then you can change views. So they also have a lens and a docked view. And you can also access these by using keyboard shortcuts. So the lens view is just going to be a square. It's like a magnifying glass. So this allows you to see more of the screen in a regular view as opposed to the full screen one. And then lastly, the docked view. It splits the screen in half. So at the top, it's magnified and it's mirrored, so as you can see at the lower half of the screen, you also have a mouse. So this one I think can be a little confusing at times, but I'm sure you can get used to it and it can meet the needs of specific individuals. And that's pretty much it. And then you can zoom in more for more magnification and zoom out. And then, to escape again, you'll do Windows Escape, and you're back in your normal view.